We desire to enter in, Lord, to really just to touch the hem of your garment, Lord, tonight, and just to be made whole. If there been anyone here, Lord, that has fallen away, anyone tuned into the live, Lord, that you're here to restore, to make them whole. And we just pray for them, Lord. We just ask that your hand would come upon them and lead and guide them, Lord. Bring them back to that place where they can just meet with you, Lord. See how great you are. How great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. Always see how great is our God. He's a name above all names, worthy of all praise. My heart will sing, how great is our God.